in that pit.
So they were burnt on this place?
Down
there.
This place was a swamp. It was a swamp.
Ah.
There were 22 in numbers.
22 in number?
Yes.
Then now when they were burned, that's when water just came out automatically from the ground. That's why now it was called a holy place. Guys, welcome back. We are in
Uganda.
That's my sister over there. Yes, we're in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. So this is where we just left. It's a very, very nice, beautiful place. Yes. Top is the Namugongo area. So we actually just saw it on a billboard that the Martyrs Day. Uganda is very famous also because of the Ugandan Martyrs. So we just saw it on a billboard that the Martyrs Day, the Uganda Martyrs Day is tomorrow, 3rd June. So we decided, why not, let's go and have a look and the opportunity to see the history about the Ugandan Martyrs and what Namugongo entails. It's mostly normally a shrine, so let's go and see what it entails. So currently you park the car quite far, then now you walk because of the huge traffic of people right now. Yeah, we are just walking down. They only allow cars with stickers, and since we didn't know we didn't have a sticker, because see tuliona kwa billboard tukasema let's just take the opportunity and see. So we're just walking down. Yeah, the only cars that are allowing are the ones with stickers. This is just us walking down towards the area. All these are just people buying. Then there's a whole huge lot of people, and inside, actually people are actually sleeping here. As we had, like for Kenya, there are some who took 1 month pilgrimage to walk from Kenya to here. And then also Ugandans are also sleeping here. I don't know for how long, whether it's until the whole Martyrs session is over, because the day is tomorrow, Saturday. Yeah, but now we are going to the Martyrs center, but this whole area is where people are just sleeping. Yeah, where people were sleeping and staying. So this is the center we are going to. This place is full. So I don't know where this is, but we'll hear what it is. So let's just follow. But it's a big thing. The Martyrs Day in Uganda is a very big thing.
Here.
Oh, they were burnt there. So when they burnt, the water started now coming from here down.
Yeah.
And then those policemen.
Marine guys, they are the one who control us. We are the one controlling. This is what is coming.
And if I want to fetch a little, where are people facing from there?
That side.
That side is where people fetch.
So,
This
water used to be small, but now, but the population, so they have to
increase
it, digging gas.
So they were burnt on this place?
Down there.
This place was a swamp. It was a swamp.
Ah.
There were 22 in numbers.
22 in number?
Yes.
Then now when they were burned, that's when water just came out automatically from the ground. That's why now it was called a holy place.
They all died, the 22?
Burning. When somebody's burning you,
to ashes.
They've tied you.
And they are just burning you?
They have set firewood of this size when you're on top. Can you survive? So that's the place.
So Ugandans did not want Christianity? at the beginning. Of course, like
Actually,
many countries, I was not born.
Those are the history.
That is history we learn.
There you only go, and if it's not no matter date, you are allowed to go, but under instruction, not just anyhowly. But and then we have those underground marine police who are guarding the area. So I don't know whether you can see them. Yeah. But now tomorrow the mass will be held over there. Protestants use another road.
But the main celebration is tomorrow.
It is tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
So Catholics enter from one side, then Protestants.
This is for Catholic.
Yeah, Catholic. Then the other side.
Why do they restrict?
Actually, I don't know.
You didn't know. Yeah. Because they asked us whether we are Protestants. We are Kenyans. Yeah, they asked us whether we are Catholics or Protestants, but now as we are Catholics, so we didn't get to understand further. Tanzanians are all on that side. And people came even a month ago, started walking. Wow. It's a very big event in Uganda.
Worldwide.
Or worldwide. Oh, so now you find other people from all over the world come here.
When in Kenya, even today, you set your TV, you get it.
Yes, for sure. Wow, okay. Thank you so much. Let us still tour. Stacy. Stacy.
I know the name is very hard. In Kenya.
Grasshopper, this is the season for grasshopper and they cook it. And she's saying it's very sweet. Okay, thank you. Finally out of the Namugongo Shrine. We've had a bit of history where the 22 martyrs were actually burnt, and then there was that rapture of water. That's why that place is called the holy. It's a holy place because it's a holy place because there was just natural water flow after the martyrs were burnt to ashes. Yeah, and then also over there there's also mass. So over there was also mass being conducted. I'll just put a picture here of where the mass was being conducted from. Yeah, so that's it for the Namugongo Shrine. They have it yearly. It's a very big event internationally, but you can also come at any time of the year when it's also not as crowded as it is during the Martyrs Day period. Yeah, so that's it for the Namugongo Shrine. Thank you. Let's go to the next adventure.